What if I told you the government controls the entire economy using just two powers? Let's understand fiscal policy with a simple village story. The government has only two powers: collect money, taxes; spend money, government expenditure. Together, these are called fiscal policy. Imagine a village called Anandpur. Every family earns money by doing different work. Farmers grow crops, tailors stitch clothes, carpenters make furniture, shopkeepers sell goods. The village head, government, collects a small contribution, tax, from everyone and uses it to build roads, schools, hospitals, and ponds. Now let's see what happens when the village faces a recession. Situation 1. Everyone is poor. Recession. 1 year there is a severe drought. Farmers earn nothing. Tailors get no customers because people stop buying new clothes. Carpenters receive no orders. Shopkeepers' sales fall. Everyone becomes afraid of spending money. The whole village becomes quiet. What does the government do? The village head says, "This is not the time to collect more money from you." So, the government collects less tax, starts building a school, repairing roads, and digging ponds. Many unemployed villagers get work. Now they earn wages. With that money they buy rice, vegetables, clothes. Shopkeepers' sales increase. Farmers start selling again. Tailors get stitching orders. Slowly, the whole village becomes active again. This is called expansionary fiscal policy. Note: village is struggling to solve this. The government uses expansionary fiscal policy. It lowers taxes and increases spending. Government action: lower taxes, higher government spending. Result: more jobs, more income, more demand, higher GDP. Now the opposite problem. What if everyone suddenly has too much money? Situation 2. Everyone has too much money. Inflation. A few years later, farming is excellent. Businesses are doing very well. Everyone has plenty of money. People rush to buy the same goods. But the village has only one rice mill, one tailor, and one furniture maker. Many buyers, but limited goods. The sellers start increasing prices because people are willing to pay more. Rice becomes expensive. Clothes become expensive. Furniture becomes expensive. This is inflation. What does the government do? The village head announces, "People who earn more will pay more tax. We will postpone some new construction projects." Now people have a little less money to spend. Demand falls. The rush in the market reduces. Inflation slows down. Prices may still rise, but more slowly. This is called contractionary fiscal policy. Government action: higher taxes, lower government spending. Result: lower demand, lower inflation, stable prices. Memory trick: when people don't have enough money, the government gives support. When too much money is chasing too few goods, the government reduces spending power. This is the core idea of fiscal policy. Definition: fiscal policy means the government's use of taxation and government spending to influence the economy. Fiscal policy formula: fiscal policy is equal to government spending plus taxation. Objectives of fiscal policy: economic growth, employment generation, price stability, reduce inequality, infrastructure development, balanced regional development, poverty reduction. Types: expansionary fiscal policy, contractionary fiscal policy. Tools: taxation, government expenditure, borrowing, fiscal deficit management, subsidies and transfers. One-line revision: recession cut taxes plus increase spending. Inflation increase taxes plus reduce spending.